No trip to Bordeaux or the Nouvelle-Aquitaine region is complete without visiting Saint-Émilion, a wine country area so stunning, it's a designated UNESCO World Heritage Site. You know what's better than a delicious wine pairing? A wine pairing with a French cooking class with Chef Jerome Oillic. So let's take another masterclass on French living, shall we? Chef Jerome is going to teach us how to make a delicious Saltimbocca with a puff pastry and prawns and caramelized pineapple dessert. My mouth is already watering. The Art of French Living, cooking lessons at Château Ambe Tour Pourret in Saint-Emilion.
So Saltimbocca, it's a nice slice of veal. Okay, on the top of it we got some dried tomatoes, a bit of mozzarella, basil leaves. We're just going to pat fry it and finish it in the oven. Okay, to go with, it will be zucchinis. Zucchinis and baby spinach cheese cooked with garlic and Provençal herbs. Right? To starter, it will be like a kind of tartlet. Okay, so straight in the oven. We've got some puff pastry, which is cooking actually. I will show you that in a few minutes. On the top of the puff pastry, we are going to make like a kind of onion jam. Okay, so it's going to cook with a bit of sugar, onion, apples, right? Some rosemary inside it, and some prawns. Okay, things we are going to peel. Anytime when you're peeling onions or even shallots, you do that. Okay, and you do exactly the same thing on the other way. Don't cut it too much, because if you cut it too much, it will fall apart. You peel it. When it's done, you are just going to put your knife on the other side of the wood, and you cut it from the bottom to the top without cutting the edge. When it's done, you do like a quarter, like this, okay? And you cut it on this way. And now, you know how to dice it properly.
There's definitely an art to cutting onions without crying. I haven't mastered that yet, so back to stirring the caramelized pineapples for me.
One red onions, okay? You don't do it. Okay? So one red onions.
Perfect.
Which means Saltimbocca. Like incision on the top of it. You can see it in the middle.
Yeah.
It's a sandwich.
Yeah. Oh, I got it.
Trim the fat.
I see it.
We're going to add like a spoon, as you know, which means two. And I wish you bon appetit. After that, some sun-dried tomatoes. Nice. Some mozzarella. Just cut some pieces of it. So, after that, you are going to roll it. Right? And I'm going to put the sticks inside it to keep it on. Okay, and in a few minutes I will show you how to pre-cook it. Okay, that's it, and some salt. you're stirring, you just go from the middle, little by little, to the side.
Well, if you're in the gas, would you start up? Because you would start up
That's
stirring
it.
on the outside.
Is usually when you do that by your own at home, you begin to stir again. But if you do that, you love that.
Oh.
Okay?
Oh.
It means, as you can see, the pineapple pull down the caramel, so it crystallized. So we are going to leave it on its own until the juice goes out of the fruit, and it will liquefy again our caramel.
You just leave it.
Just leave it again.
Et voila, the finished product. Wanna follow me around the world? Check out my website, In a Perfect World, and be sure to subscribe.
I'm getting her drinking.
So you are having wine, we
The
say
best part.
something, yeah?